And Governor Newsom's office is planning what he's calling a major announcement regarding the ICE arrests and protests. That's coming up at 6:30. We're going to have that for you when it happens.
So stay with us for that. In the meantime, the protests are bringing into sharp focus the widening chasm between California Democrats and the Trump administration.
That's right. ABC 7 News political reporter Monica Madden is here with more on the growing battle. Monica.
Today's California legal fight against the Trump over the military deployments is kicking up a notch. The state filed an emergency request asking a federal court to block the president's deployment of the U.S. Marines, which will be considered in court Thursday. Until then, the war of words is playing out from L.A. to D.C.
What you're witnessing in California is a full-blown assault on peace, on public order.
The battle over the Trump administration's military deployment to Los Angeles intensifying Tuesday. Governor Gavin Newsom telling Pod Save America the president's order is, quote, blatantly unconstitutional.
This theatrical display of toughness by a president of the United States who's unhinged and has now crossed a red line.
Now, California is asking the courts for more intervention to stop President Trump's deployment of both the National Guard and the U.S. Marines.
ICE agents need to be able to do their job. They're being attacked for doing their job.
Earlier on Capitol Hill Tuesday, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth doubled down on the L.A. military display.
If you've got millions of illegals and you don't know where they're coming from, they're waving flags from foreign countries and assaulting police officers and law enforcement officers. That's the problem.
The laws of the United States.
No, the governor of California is unable to execute the laws of the United States.
This is about retribution. It's about provocation, and it's about basically distraction.
Congressman Jimmy Panetta says the issue might impact more than Californians.
This is something that could easily spread to other parts of the country and therefore demonstrates the authoritarian tendencies of this president.
Looming overhead, reports that the White House is planning to cut off all federal funding to California. Panetta, who sits on the House Budget Committee, tells us nothing has materialized yet.
And so this is something that we will continue to push back here in the United States Congress, work with Governor Gavin Newsom to do anything we can to ensure that this doesn't happen.
And if you're wondering about the cost of the troops, Secretary Hegseth told Congress earlier that the deployments of both the National Guard and the U.S. Marines will cost at least $134 million and could last also at least 2 months. Dan, Ama.